Okay, my camera was like losing light because the sun keeps coming in and out. So, but anyways, I haven't played with the charcoal gray, so I was like, I want to kind of just play around with the charcoal. Okay, while that is looking crazy, I'm just gonna take a brush to blend out the edges until they look somewhat smoother, so I don't look as harsh and crazy. Okay, it's messy. I will clean it up with a makeup wipe afterwards. But okay, we're going in with Peace. I'm just like, this is a really beautiful color. And I do love that Winter Lights. But this is just something so like, look at that. Okay, hold on. Let me, like, just so special. So beautiful. And I'm just like, on top of that gray, I could see it pulling through and just being the absolute most beautiful color I've ever seen. Like, it's blue, it's purple, it's just beautiful. And I'm just like, I'm gonna zoom out just a little bit because my camera's being stupid right now, but I don't know another way to describe this, but I was like, on top of that gray, I don't know. I just see it as being, look at this camera. It is being stupid. Okay, thank you. I'm like, why is it not focusing? But yeah. Okay, here goes craziness, but bird tree is what we're gonna take underneath. And okay, so I wanted green in here somewhere. Just always gonna be crazy. So I'm like, I was gonna tape it off with the charcoal gray anyway, so I'm like, we could have a pop of color in there. It's kind of similar in the sense that they're both a little bit darker shades, so I'm like, I'll give it a little pop. I might put some, I don't know, I'm like, I want to put that red in there, but okay, I don't know. I'm gonna do more crazier things with this palette, because this is a really pretty palette, so, but okay, let me clean up a little bit. Okay, so I definitely did want to take Winter Lights and put it in the inner corners. I'm trying to get on camera over here, like slowly drifting off the camera, but that is so pretty. I just was like, I need something in the inner corners, and I want to do red, but I don't think red would look good with whatever theme that I'm going for. So I was like, you know what? We'll take the other color that I wanted to take, and it is absolutely gorgeous. So it's cool that like different colors, because it looks like teal right now, but on my arm it looked green, like for sure, like minty green and everything. But because I laid that gray shade down, it is mixing together like for a tealish color, which it looks more teal in person than it does on camera. I don't know why, but that is so pretty. Okay, so I just briefly wanted to show you, this is the how to be a redhead finally half lashes. And it is kind of more tailored to redheads, but it's not so specific to like, you don't have, like if you want to buy this mascara, you wouldn't have to be a redhead just to buy the mascara, but it's kind of more tailored to redheads, being that like most of the time, like we have trouble when trying to match our hair and all that. So I just thought it was a little neat thing to speak about. Favorite lip liner, which is also by LA Colors, called Cena. Okay, there you go. Okay, going in with Strip Down. Now, anyways, it's by NYX, and it's also another one of my favorite lip products. So I just put it in the center. Da-da-da. And then I take my finger and blend the rest of it out. That's so pretty. I can't get over how pretty this is. It's so different, but it's also me, like, always bold and crazy, but this palette is just so gorgeous and so beautiful. I just okay, thank you again, Nomad, for always sending me the most beautifulest palettes in the whole entire world. Like, seriously, they are gorgeous, and I'm just so obsessed with this blue color. Like, I love that color, but I'm like really obsessed with the Peace blue color. Like, okay, I will have have to let you go because I have to go and eat lunch with my daughter now, but I'm in love with this look. So thank you, Nomad, and for everyone who is always watching, supporting, and just being here. So I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and it is Thursday, so we're almost to the weekend. So if I don't see you again, hopefully you have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you again. Bye, y'all.